Another day, another English lesson. The difference between insure and insure. Today, we're learning about two commonly confused verbs, insure and insure. Although similar in sound, they serve different purposes. Meaning and usage. Insure is a verb. It means to make certain something happens. For example, the checklist ensures that no steps are missed. Insure is also a verb. It means to arrange financial protection. For example, they insured their new store against theft. Grammar spotlight. Insure works with direct objects. Example, insure your safety first. Insure also works with that clauses. Example, ensure that doors are locked. Insure requires an insurance context. Example, insure your valuables. Against is used with insure for risks. Example, I'm insured against earthquakes. Common mistakes. Crossmark, we ensured the package would arrive on time. Checkmark, we ensured the package would arrive on time. Crossmark, insure your car with our cheap rates. Checkmark, insure your car with our cheap rates. Final note. Insure equals certainty, guarantee. Insure equals financial coverage. Now watch and complete the sentences with the correct form of insure or insure. One. Please ensure that all windows are closed before leaving. Two. Does your policy insure against overseas medical emergencies? Three. The contract ensures that both parties get fair treatment. Four. Farmers often insure crops against bad weather. Five. Please ensure that you back up important files. Six. Is your engagement ring insured for its full value? Seven. The alarm system ensures that nobody enters unnoticed. Eight. You can insure this laptop for just $5 per month. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.